Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily print general ledger on QuickBooks. So all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, hover your mouse on reports, then click on it. So from standard reports, just scroll down. Then, under the For My Accountant section, look for General Ledger and click on it. So, from here, you can start choosing report period. You can choose if this month to date, this month, this week to date, and just enter in the date duration of the report that you want to view or print. You also have an option to customize the report. And to print, just click on the print button. So before printing, make sure the orientation is to your preferred orientation if you want to print it on portrait mode or landscape mode. Then once done, just click on the print button. So from here, just choose the destination. And if you want to print this to become a PDF file, just choose Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF. Then select the pages and pages per sheet, then proceed by clicking on Save. Just enter in the file name, then click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!